Welcome to today's topic. Today's topic is mirror images and water images. So moving on to the weightage of this particular topic, each year you are being asked around 4 to 5 questions if you observe. So 5 in 2018-19 and 4 in 1920 and 5 questions from last year, right? So moving on to the topic, as you know, when I say mirror images refer to lateral inversion. Lateral inversion is nothing but left becoming right and right becoming left. Next, water images. So water images is nothing but actual inversion. That is nothing but top becoming bottom and bottom becoming top. Do it like this so that it's understood better. Right. So suppose if I am taking an object, let us say the object is Hindi. Now, if I say that I am placing the mirror on the sides, so the lateral inversion would mean that the object will look like this. And if for the same object, Hindi, if the mirror is placed below, it is nothing but water image. So water image, I can call it as a special case of mirror image when mirror is placed below the object. When mirror is placed below the object, right? So now what is the water image for this? This would be the water image, right? Moving on to the PYQ section. So if you observe over here, this is direct lateral inversion. They are asking you to find the mirror image over here. So the mirror image, the same thing, it would come this side and this would be this side. So which is nothing but my option 3, right? Then moving on to the next question. This is from 2015 when the weightage was around 50 marks. So out of 50, you had 2 questions, right? The next one, the correct water image. So water image, as you know, it gets inverted entirely. And if you observe over here, 3, it is written like this. So the bigger round will be there, right? So here in this case, what happens is these two get cancelled out. And among these things, the bigger, this 3 over here, it is facing towards the other side, so which is wrong. So my answer would be option number 2, right? Moving on to the next part of this question series, right? This is question number 13. Only one question was given in the year 2016. If you observe here, so a figure is followed by its 4 mirror images. Select the correct mirror image. So as I told, mirror image, when they say mirror image, the problem over here is the mirror image is placed above the object. So in fact, they are asking you water image, but not mirror image over here. So what happens? This gets inverted. Upon inverted, plus will go to the top and 0 will come to the bottom. So my correct option is B, right? Then moving on to the next top question paper, 2017 question paper. Now in 2017, there was only one question. Again, this was about water image. So upon water image, the triangle gets inverted and circle goes to the top. So all the other things remain the same. So this would be my answer, which is already given over here. So option 3. Then moving on to question paper 2018. So here they are asking you to find the water image of apple. So water image, when I say, it is nothing but inversion. So A, B, P, L, E, 7, 9. So over here, if you observe, you don't have 9 like this at any place. Actually, there is no answer. But here, what is happening? In some cases, they do consider the closest one. So the closest one in this case would be option B, right? So if there is no answer available, please go for the closest answer. Don't assume that they may give it as an answer. If they give, that is fine, but if they don't, this would help rather than leaving it. Of course, don't leave anything, there is no negative marking. Then moving to truth, water image of truth. So you are inverting it. Very clearly, the answer is here, option A, right? Then we have few more questions in this particular question paper. We had 5 in total. So these are the next set of questions. Right now, observe carefully. Mirror image of Malayalam. So you have to invert from this side. So M, A, L, A, Y, A, L, A, and M. And when it comes to effective, from this side, E, B, I, T, C, E, F inverted, E. So this is nothing but my option 1. Then moving on to the mirror image of magazine. So once again, inverting from the right side. Right. So very simple way to remember, whenever you see mirror image, start from right. Whenever you see mirror image, start from right. So that would avoid your confusion. Start from right side of the letters. Right. Moving on. So what was your answer now for this magazine? ENIZAGAM. Right. So option number 4. So that is your D. Right. Now moving on to the next question paper. That is question paper of 2019. So if you observe over here, they are asking you to find the water image of pencil. So pencil water image would look like this. That is nothing but your option 2. Then moving on to water image of this thing. So 4, 5, 6. Okay, water image, right? Sorry. So 6 water image would look like this. Right? You are inverting it. 7, and of course the bigger round and smaller, or you can say like anything, no issue, because it is little bigger over here. Drawing it a little bigger. Now let us see the options, whether we have this kind of option or not. Yes, we have an option, that is your option number 1, right? This one over here, that is your option. Sorry. That is your answer, right? Now moving on in the same paper, 97 and 98. If you observe over here, for this particular question, there is no correct option. Actual answer should be this thing, because you have to start from right for mirror image, but you don't have this particular option over here. Now, if you observe in the options, there is one particular option showing inversion of each letter. That is wrong. Showing inversion of each letter is wrong. This is wrong. But here, as there is no other better option, this will become your answer. Concept wise, it is wrong. So if both these options are present, then you have to go for this one only. Right. Next, moving on to the mirror image part. here this is pointing towards left, so quite naturally it will point towards the other side. So this will be my answer, right? So now moving on to the last year's paper. This is last year's paper. If you observe over here, the same thing that I told, Q is inverted, P is inverted, N is inverted, 5, 7, 6, 4, right? So this is my answer, option B. Then moving to water image. So here it is getting inverted. So upon inversion, what happens is, if you are inverting, your dot will come to the other side, right? You are inverting it. So this will become your answer, third option, right? Now moving on. On to the next one. See question number 83. Right, once again they are asking mirror image. So as I told, for mirror image, start from right. This would be your answer. That is nothing but option 1, right? And moving to option, next question. Next question is very simple. If you observe over here, right? So this is the given question. Now mirror image. So the bottom thing will come to this side, and the top one will go to the other side. And this will become my mirror image. So that is nothing but my option. So hope the concept is clear. Always remember, whenever you see mirror image, start from right side. For water, you can start from left, and for water, always invert. For mirror image, always invert laterally. Right? Thank you. Hope this video helps. We'll see you with another video.